alcohols. Oxidation of alcohol can be done with the aqueous, alkaline or acidic alcohol. With any medium you can use, right? Second, you can oxidize with acidified calcium dichromate or sodium dichromate, or you can oxidize with the dilute nitric acid, chromium trioxide in pyridine. Okay. Here, even you can distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols by oxidation methods. First is primary alcohol. Primary. Suppose you take primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. Right? When you oxidize it, there is one H is from here, right? And one H is from here. That is moved. Plus oxygen minus water. CH3 C aldehyde is formed, having same number of carbon atoms, right? And on further oxidation, that form carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, that is the acetic acid, right? Having same number of carbon atom, right? Where in case of the secondary alcohol, right? Secondary alcohol, this is a secondary alcohol, we call it isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, first on oxidation, right? One H is from here and one H is from here, that is moved. And CH3 ketone has been formed, having same number of carbon atoms. Ketones, secondary alcohol give the ketone after the oxidation. And this one, now OH group is attached to the secondary carbon, that will give the ketone. And this one on further oxidation, there is no hydrogen present over there, right? And there is carbon-carbon bond is created, and carboxylic acid is formed, and having lesser number of carbon atoms give carboxylic acid. Or when carbon-carbon bond we have to create, we have to use the drastic conditions of strong oxidizing agent. We need here strong oxidizing agent, because carbon-carbon bond we have to create. And third is the tertiary, right? In tertiary alcohol, this is tertiary alcohol. When you oxidize it, there is no H is present over there. This is the tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay. When we oxidize it, there is H is removed from here, but there is no H there, and there is one carbon we have to break down. Then ketone is formed, having lesser carbon, lesser number of carbon atoms. Okay. When you oxidize this, for this you need again strong oxidizing agent. You need strong oxidizing agent. Again you need here strong oxidizing agent, because again we have to remove carbon for the further oxidation, right? And that carbon which will remove, that form carbon dioxide plus water. Here also that form carbon dioxide plus water, right? That carbon give carbon dioxide plus water. in primary, after easily that is oxidized because there is no carbon-carbon cleavage. In secondary, there is carbon-carbon cleavage takes place. After the formation of ketone, you need strong oxidizing agent. And in case of tertiary, you need strong oxidizing agent because in the first step there is carbon-carbon bond has been cleaved, and that form the first ketone having lesser number of carbon atoms, and the after oxidation give the carboxylic acid again having same different number of carbon atoms, lesser number of carbon atoms. That is the reaction with reduced copper. Right? Here again you can distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. You write down the structure of alcohol. Right? First, when you take the primary alcohol, okay? Second, this is a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Next, you take CH3. That you remove the H. You write it here. And second, this is a secondary. This is the tertiary. Okay? Ethyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and the tertiary butyl alcohol. When you heat it with the reduced copper at 573 Kelvin, right? When you heat it, and correspondingly the hydrogen is removed, aldehyde is formed. Primary alcohol give the aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde. इथेनॉल ये क्या है, इसका नाम क्या आएगा? दो कार्बन है, एसिड एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप है, सो राइट एसिड एल्डिहाइड और इथेनॉल. नेक्स्ट इज this one, copper 573 Kelvin. There is one H is removed from here and one H is from here. Okay, hydrogen is removed. There is hydrogen is removed. This case also there is again one H is from here and one H is from here, like that. Again ketone has been formed. Ketone, that is common name is acetone, that form the ketone. Secondary alcohol give the primary alcohol give aldehyde, secondary alcohol give ketone, and in case of the, that is very important reaction with copper, it is 573 Kelvin, right? There is no hydrogen is attached over there. Now there is water is removed. H from one H is removed from here, and then CH3, CH3 and CH3. Alkene has been formed. It means tertiary butyl alcohol will give the, that is isobutylene, that give the isobutylene, or we can say 1, 2 and 3, that is 2-methyl in the chain prop, right? Then at carbon number 1 ene, 2-methyl prop 1 ene, or isobutylene. Why we call it isobutylene? Because this is 1, 2 and 3. Last but one carbon पे क्या पड़ा है? Methyl group पड़ा है. So we call it isobutylene, right? That is the reaction with the reduced copper at temperature 573. That is very important. Primary give aldehyde, secondary give the acetone, or we can say ketone, and tertiary alcohol will give the alkene. That will give alkene because there is hydrogen present here. So one H is from here and one H is from here. There H is attached to this carbon, one H removed and double bond is formed. And but here there is no H is attached, so H is removed, OH is removed from here and H is from here and double bond water remove होएगा. इसमें प्लस क्या लिखोगे? वाटर. इसमें क्या लिखोगे? हाइड्रोजन. ठीक है? That is reaction with the reduced copper. Right? How can you distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary codes? Okay, one is by oxidation, second reaction with the copper, and third in the lab. Okay, this I have already done. Explain CH2OH. This is the primary alcohol, right? This is primary alcohol. When it is OH group as the primary one. This is a secondary alcohol. And this is a tertiary alcohol. Okay? That is distinguished by treating it with the Lucas reagent. That is HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride. HCl plus zinc chloride. HCl plus zinc chloride. Right? And substitution takes place. OH that is replaced by the chloride. RHCl, and that is RRCl. This alkyl halide has been formed. What has been formed? Alkyl halide. Right? And you see there is alkyl halide that is insoluble in water. That is in water. So milkiness appear. So milkiness appear due to formation of the alkyl halide. In case of the first, when you write here, in case of tertiary alkyl, milkiness appear immediately. Milkiness appear okay. Here milkiness appear after 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes, right? Where in case milkiness not appear, ठीक है, and appear after heating. Appear after heating. From this clear that tertiary alcohol that will be more reactive, so reaction will be takes place and alkyl halide is formed immediately. Where in case of secondary alcohol, that is that is the less reactive as compared to the tertiary, and that's why after 2-3 minutes reaction is completed. And primary alcohol, that is the least reactive and it is not easily react, no milkiness appear, no reaction takes place, but after heating then reaction will takes place, right? अगर immediately हो जाता है तो it means tertiary है, अगर after 2-3 minutes होता है तो it means secondary है, अगर after heating appear होती है milkiness alkyl halide तब बनता है तो it means वो primary है, right? इस तरह से आप इसे सेपरेट कर सकते हो primary, secondary और tertiary alcohol को. Inter conversion of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Right? Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Suppose you have to convert the N-propyl alcohol to isopropyl alcohol. Right? First you write down the structure of N-propyl alcohol and the isopropyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol, that is propyl में 3 1 2 3. ठीक है? N means normal chain, right? You can complete it. Okay? Isopropyl alcohol. This is isopropyl. This is a isopropyl. You have to change the primary into the secondary. It means you have to change the primary alcohol into the secondary alcohol. How you will perform these reactions? कैसे आप इसकी पोजीशन चेंज करोगे? ठीक है? इसके लिए क्या करना है? CH2OH, ठीक है? पहले आप HBr से या HCl से ट्रीट करते हो, ठीक है? या फिर आप दूसरा तरीका क्या है, इसकी डिहाइड्रेशन करते हो, ठीक है? सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड 443 Kelvin, right? That is converted into the dehydration. Dehydration takes place. H is from here and water is from here. ठीक है? Dehydration करके अल्कीन बन गया. अब इसमें हम HCl या Br ऐड करते हैं. And the addition will be takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule, ठीक है? और नेगेटिव पोर्शन कहाँ पे जाएगा? यहाँ पे, और पॉजिटिव यहाँ पे. आपको पता ही है कि इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन होती है. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन होती है तो इसको मतलब इलेक्ट्रोफाइल ने अटैक करना है. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल कहाँ पे अटैक करेगा? सो फॉर्म द मोर स्टेबल कार्बोकेटाइन टू मेक द मोर स्टेबल कार्बोकेटाइन. अगर ये यहाँ पे अटैक करता है, ठीक है, इसके पास तो इलेक्ट्रॉन है नहीं. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कहाँ जाएंगे? पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे जाएंगे और हमारे पास क्या बन जाएगा? CH3CH कार्बोकेटाइन एंड CH3. Cl ऐड हो जाएगा और क्या बन जाएगा? CH3CH. दैट इज सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटाइन इज मोर स्टेबल. अगर पॉजिटिव है यहाँ पे तो क्या बनता है? प्राइमरी बनता है. इसलिए मार्कोनिकोव्स रूल के अकॉर्डिंग एडिशन होगी. राइट? आइसोप्रोपाइल क्लोराइड इज फॉर्म. आइसोप्रोपाइल क्लोराइड इज फॉर्म. अब इसकी क्या कर दो? हाइड्रोलिसिस कर दो एक्वस मीडियम में. क्या बन जाएगा? सिल्वर ऑक्साइड एक्ट विद वाटर, सिल्वर हाइड्रोक्साइड बन जाएगा. हाइड्रोक्साइड क्या करेगा? इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देगा. Isopropyl alcohol is formed. You can convert primary to the secondary alcohol. Next type, conversion. Suppose you have to convert the secondary to tertiary. Secondary to tertiary alcohol. Secondary to tertiary. Suppose you take the example secondary alcohol to tertiary alcohol. ओके, इसके लिए हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा? टर्शियरी कार्बन आना चाहिए बीच में, तभी वो टर्शियरी अल्कोहल बनेगा. ठीक है? HCHOH, right? And you take this one. This is secondary group because OH group is attached to the secondary carbon, right? अब इसको हमने कन्वर्ट किसमें करना है? टर्शियरी अल्कोहल में. इसका मतलब क्या है कि कैसे बनी? OH ग्रुप यहाँ पे आ जाए, CH2 and CH3, टर्शियरी अल्कोहल इज फॉर्म्ड, राइट? इसको हमने इसमें कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, इसके लिए सेम प्रोसेस जैसे हमने पहले किया था. आप पहले क्या करोगे? इसकी डिहाइड्रेशन कर दोगे. चाहे एल्यूमिनियम यूज कर लो 623 केल्विन पे, ठीक है, चाहे सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड यूज कर लो, और ओके 443 केल्विन पे हीट कर दो, डिहाइड्रेशन हो जाएगी, यहां से वाटर निकल गया, क्या बनेगा CH3 डबल बॉन्ड बन गया, ठीक है, CH3 बन गया, अब एल्कीन बन गया। अब एल्कीन में से आप क्या करोगे, आप एडिशन कर दोगे HCl की, सेम वैसे HCl कर दो, HBr HI जो मर्जी ऐड कर दो। मार्कोनिकोव रूल के अकॉर्डिंग कौन सा कार्बोकेटाइन बनेगा, टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटाइन बनेगा, ठीक है, टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटाइन बनेगा तो क्लोराइड कहां पे अटैच होगा, कार्बोकेटाइन पे, और H कहां पे अटैच होगा, यहाँ पे होगा, मार्कोनिकोव रूल के अकॉर्डिंग, मार्कोनिकोव रूल, ओके। मार्कोनिकोव रूल क्या कहता है कि कार्बोकेटाइन यहाँ पे बनेगा, और कार्बोकेटाइन अगर यहाँ बनेगा तो इट मींस क्लोराइड यहाँ पे अटैच होगा, ठीक है, टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटाइन बनेगा और वहां पे क्लोराइड अटैच होगा। अब इसमें क्या करो, अगेन सिल्वर ऑक्साइड एक्वस OH ग्रुप यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, OH CH2 and CH3, clear? How you can convert this into this? इसका नेम क्या होगा, 1 2 3 and 4, ठीक है, क्या है इसका नेम, क्या बनेगा बोलो, 3 मिथाइल ब्यूट, सिंगल बॉन्ड है एन 2 O, 3 मिथाइल ब्यूटेन 2 O, और ये क्या बनेगा 1 2 3 and 4, numbering you start from this side because OH group and methyl group both should be at the lowest number. इसका नेम क्या होगा, इसका नेम होगा 2 मिथाइल, ओके, ब्यूट एन, राइट, 2 O, right, this is formed. That is how you can convert secondary alcohol into the tertiary alcohol. ऐसे अब बाकी के जितने भी एग्जाम्पल हैं you can try yourself, okay. Another, how primary to tertiary, primary alcohol to tertiary alcohol, ओके, प्राइमरी टू टर्शियरी को पहले प्राइमरी कार्बन वैसा बनाएंगे जिसमें प्राइमरी ओके, सपोज दिस वन, ठीक है, हमने ये लिया, इसमें टर्शियरी कार्बन है, ठीक है, और साथ में क्या है, प्राइमरी है, प्राइमरी के ऊपर OH ग्रुप लगाया हुआ है, ठीक है, इसका नेम क्या होगा, दैट इज लास्ट बट वन कार्बन पे क्या है, दिस इज फर्स्ट कार्बन, दिस इज सेकंड और थर्ड, लास्ट बट वन पे क्या है, मिथाइल ग्रुप, सो इट्स नेम इज आइसोब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल, इट्स नेम इज आइसोब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल, राइट। टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन 3 + 1 4, इसको हमने कन्वर्ट किसमें करना है, टर्शियरी में, इसका मतलब यहाँ पे OH ग्रुप आना चाहिए, यहाँ पे CH3 है, यहाँ पे CH3 है, और देयर इज CH3, टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल, क्या बनेगा, टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल, प्राइमरी is changed into the tertiary butyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol is a primary alcohol, right? That is converted into tertiary butyl alcohol. How you can convert it? Same method, but somewhat different. First is dehydration. क्या करेंगे, डिहाइड्रेशन करेंगे, किससे, किसी से भी कर लो, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड ले लो, ठीक है, कंसंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड ले लो, उससे हीट कर दो 443 पे, इसको हीट किया तो क्या बन गया हमारे पास, CH3 डबल बॉन्ड CH2, OH from here and H is from here, butene is, that is isobutylene, that is total number of carbon atom 4, last but one there is methyl group is, so it is isobutylene. अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, डिहाइड्रेशन, then HCl or HI or HBr, simple on hydrolysis. Next on hydrolysis with the silver hydroxide, tertiary butyl alcohol is formed, right? And next, now we convert the next section. How you can convert the tertiary alcohol to primary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol to primary alcohol, right? Tertiary alcohol to primary alcohol, for this you start from here, right? First is the dehydration. CH3, water is removed, isobutylene is formed. Isobutylene is formed. And now with diborane, first step, right? During diborane, this type of fraction takes place. You see, like that. Diborane, that will be start to form the bond, and this bond is start to break between carbon and carbon. This and there one of the hydrogens start to break from here and start to form the bond with this carbon, right? And this bulkier portion will attach to that carbon which has lesser number of alkyl groups attached. That is less hindered, right? CH3, then ultimately second step, then H is attached here and BHH2 is attached here. फिर क्या करेंगे हम, अल्केलाइन हाइड्रोजन परऑक्साइड के साथ हाइड्राइज कर देंगे, CH3, H, CH2 and OH. That isobutyl alcohol is formed. Primary alcohol is formed. Tertiary to primary alcohol is formed by this method, right? Again, first dehydration. After dehydration, then we treat it with the BH3, and then with the alkaline hydrogen peroxide, there is primary alcohol or isobutyl alcohol has been propyl alcohol to tertiary butyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol to tertiary butyl alcohol. This case, first you write down the structure. This is isopropyl alcohol, right? And tertiary butyl alcohol. This is tertiary butyl alcohol, right? There is one carbon more over there, right? It means we have to add one more carbon, right? One carbon can be added from the first, we oxidize it. After oxidation with potassium dichromate or KMnO4, acidified KMnO4, right? This OH is from here and H is from here. Minus क्या हो जाएगा? Water. One H is from here, one H is from here. Double bond is formed. Ketone has been formed. and now we add the methyl, one carbon we have to add more, methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide, you know there is, इसके ऊपर क्या है +2 चार्ज, इसके ऊपर माइनस, इसके ऊपर क्या है माइनस, ठीक है। ये कहाँ पे अटैक करेगा, कार्बोनिल कार्बन पे अटैक करेगा, बिकॉज इट इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, दिस बॉन्ड इज पोलर, इट हैज positive end. This carbanion attack to carbonyl carbon. These pi electrons shifted here, right? क्या बन गया हमारे पास CH3, CH3, CH3 and then OMgBr. इसके ऊपर क्या आ गया नेगेटिव चार्ज, इसके ऊपर क्या आ गया पॉजिटिव चार्ज, ठीक है। नेगेटिव चार्ज आने से मैग्नीशियम के ऊपर क्या आ गया, एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया ना, क्योंकि मिथाइल निकल गया, तो ये इसके साथ अटैच हो गया। फिर इसकी हम क्या करेंगे एसिडिफाइड हाइड्रोलिसिस, क्या करेंगे हाइड्रोलिसिस। जब हम हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे H अटैच्ड ऑन दिस साइड, पॉजिटिव है पॉजिटिव ऑक्सीजन के साथ अटैच होगा, और जो नेगेटिव OH नेगेटिव है वो मैग्नीशियम के साथ अटैच होगा, और हमारे पास क्या बन गया CH3 and OH, right? H is attached here and there is tertiary butyl alcohol is formed, plus मैग्नीशियम के साथ एक ब्रोमाइड अटैच हो गया और एक OH अटैच हो गया, right? How you can convert isopropyl alcohol to tertiary pair? There is one carbon more. One carbon more, it means you first have to oxidize, change into the ketone or aldehyde, and then that one methyl group you add by addition of Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl attack to carbonyl carbon, right? And pi electron shifted here, and after hydrolysis you get the tertiary butyl alcohol. In this way you can convert one form into the another. That's all about the alcohols.